which means with green.
With
but
green.
I can't say that. With
No, yeah,
bird.
we can.
Yeah, with
okay,
bird.
I just stopped by the conVerd booth, and I just have to look around because there's Mulaney, and there's Rick. These guys are really cool. There's more guys in the background there.
They're not so cool.
Okay, and we're going to talk with Sean.
Hi, how are you?
And Sean, hi, Sean. Nice to see you. Tell us about your product.
Well, what we did is we try to create a bunch of products all based on paper that replace typical PVC or non-sustainable products in the marketplace to give printers the ability to go out and say, I have something different to show you, client. Because everybody out there has more of the same.
Right.
And we have more of what's different.
Right.
And so that gives the ability, everybody the ability now to go back into somebody and say, hey, I have something new to show you, and get another opportunity to present something to their client.
That's actually when I walked by, I was like, oh, this is really cool. Let me show you one of these things. And it's really, it's corrugated board, but it's very rigid, and totally could be used. If I was going to buy a point of purchase or a point of sale display, this thing would totally work. And then you guys said it can be recycled, de-inked and recycled up to 7 times?
So basically what we've done is in all of our board products.
Yes.
Yeah, the answer is
Rick
yes.
says yes.
Yes.
I don't know the answer.
Yeah, it'll go 7 times before it ends up as cheesy cardboard.
So how do they de-ink it? Do they use bleach?
No.
It's just in your regular recycle bin. They can throw it with your newspaper.
So I could just, if I'm a store, I could just put it in my
in your blue recycle bin.
and then it goes back into the system.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
That's very cool. That's what we can do with the majority of our products.
Wow.
That's our whole concept. So everything we have, we use 90% virgin fibers in our paper, which gives you the ability to do this 7 times because when we're white, and so when you throw it into the recycle bin, it takes less energy to recycle this, and you get more out of it, as opposed to old corrugated cardboard where you have to, it's already been recycled through the, through the mill a million times.
So how are you guys? It looks like corrugated board to me, but it's not.
It's a paper process. We put all these it's all paper in the middle, so it's kind of like a corrugated. We don't try to compare ourselves to corrugated board.
We got a big sample. Matt,
Those are
that's
12
Matt.
millimeter.
He's the mill guy.
I'm the mill guy.
Yeah. So it's fluted.
It's a fluted board. Try to
But
stay
it's
away
hard.
from
It's not like it's definitely
Very
hard.
rigid, and
yeah.
that is attributable to the fiber we use in the product. It's not old recycled container material.
You're losing your
Right,
Mr.
and this
Peanuts
stuff, some of the substrates that are not fully recyclable, this stuff will stand up.
Yeah.
Some of our competitors, this stuff will waffle. This stuff's strong.
What we like printers to ask themselves is, at the end of the ad campaign, wouldn't you like to take your banner, your backlit poster, your wall-scaping material, your
well, it's not
rigid
the
board,
printers, it's the marketers.
the printers, customers,
Customers. Oh,
and
to you
put
they're
it in the
customers.
recycle bin as opposed to put it in the landfill. When and where you can, why not?
Hence why all the signage in the show, all the aisle signage is made out of our board. For
No
that
way.
specific reasons. Yeah, so you look at the aisle 2300. That's all of our signs. Those are our boards because they want to recycle that stuff instead of using vinyl, which they've been using in the past.
Cool. What a bonus I stopped here and you guys are doing that. So let's talk about this for a second. Rick, you were telling me about this.
Okay, well this is our Black Light banner material, and basically it's 100% opaque paper, and it's to replace hanging vinyl. And the process is such that it will adapt to the ambient humidity in its environment. And you'll know if you've seen vinyl hanging banners, you'll notice that they'll start curling in on themselves after a while. This is a one-step process. You print both sides. You don't have to laminate it. And you can see up here, this is all stuff. You can sew it, grommet it. Here's one with a
Stitch it.
That'd be really cool. So if I'm doing a billboard and I'm switching it out every month, instead I don't have to trash it. I could use recycle it.
Right. So with the exception of, in this case, with the exception of these grommets, this thing just goes right into the baler with the rest of your paper, and back to the mill to be de-inked and reused again.
You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I'll post your website and all your information on
But yet
the
there's more.
video. There's more?
A lot more.
We should show you the really cool wallpaper stuff.
Okay, let me turn. It'll be too much to upload, so
Right.
I'll
Stop and go
stop
again.
and then we'll go again.